Hi, boys and girls. It is Earth Day on Wednesday, and we're talking about Earth Day all week long. I'm going to be reading you the book by Kadir Nelson called He's Got the Whole World in His Hands, and it's based off of a song. But I want to read to you why Kadir decided to write this book or illustrate this book to the lyrics of the song. And I'm looking, and it talks a little bit about Kadir in the back of the book, so that's what I'm looking at to read. Inspired by the song's simple message, Kadir Nelson sought to capture on paper the joy of living in and engaging with the world. He envisioned a multi-ethnic family representative of the Earth's diversity. And the setting of his illustrations is San Francisco. Its oceans and its seas and its mountains and rivers, a perfect complement to the lyrics of the song. And most importantly, Mr. Nelson wished to portray the world as a child might see it, vast and beautiful, which of course we do see the world as vast and beautiful. So his illustrations, he's thinking about San Francisco when he drew them. He's Got the Whole World in His Hands by Kadir Nelson. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. So that's the San Francisco skyline. I know that now because I read in the back of the book. He's got my brothers and my sisters in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. Wow, could you draw a picture like this? You sure could. All the important people in your life holding hands. Because you're all part of our world. He's got the sun and the rain in his hands. He's got the moon and the stars in his hands. He's got the wind and the clouds in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the rivers and the mountains in his hands. I know people who are spending some of their time at home doing things like going fishing and hiking. He's got the oceans and the seas in his hands. He's got you and he's got me in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. It does make me think about how much I love our world. He's got everybody here in his hands. Wow, look at all these people at this park. I'm coming close so you can see them all. He's got everybody there in his hands, and I love that I'm seeing this side of it is the continent of Africa. This side is the United States and the continent of North America. Because we're all one in this world, right? We're all here together. He's got everybody everywhere, just like I just said, in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. Our big world. I see the moon. This, of course, is our wonderful planet Earth. Now I thought it would be fun to do the song that goes with this. If you know the words, you can sing along. You might recognize this song. Let's try to do it together.
He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his mother. In his hands is our beauty mother. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole wide world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our beauty mother. In his hands is our beauty mother. In his hands is our beauty mother. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole wide world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our little tiny babies. In his hands is our little tiny babies. In his hands is our little tiny babies. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole wide world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands is our whole world. In his hands.
So I hope you're stopping and thinking right now, as we're in our houses, our worlds feel really small. It feels like it's just our family. And we love our family, and that is a great feeling to be our family. But the world is so much bigger. Um, and that's just a really neat thing to think about. And how people in this world really love and care for each other all the time. We are just loving each other. So, and we also love our planet Earth, and that's the most important thing that we're taking care of right now. And we're thinking about this week is how can we help take care of our planet? I love you all.